already started doing a little bit of work to it, like removing all that wood from the bed there. Remove the exhaust. I removed all the brakes, and I've got all new parts for the brakes. I've got to fix the floorboards. There's some rust down there, but I can fix all that. And there's no motor, obviously. I got a new one already though. It's a straight 6. 292. Hood's a little smashed up. I'm gonna work on fixing that now. The front end a little bit too. Those are the hangers that I put on there for the tow dolly. That's one of the motor mount brackets there. So